Hi guys, welcome to this short video about this Lenovo fingerprint reader mouse. That's the one here. I've been using this now for about 2 days and I got used to that. When we look at it, I mean the build is pretty lightweight. I would say definitely not comparable to a gaming mouse, not even entry-level gaming mouse. It has a very low profile when we look at it. That's maybe the biggest disadvantage here. It's very low here. I mean, you can still move it around, absolutely no problem. It's actually comfortable to use. I would say it's rather on the smaller side, not only a lower profile here, but also a little bit small in general. Everything is rather small. Also the wheel here, also the wheel is rather narrow. I prefer usually wider wheels, but everything works pretty well, I would say. I mean, we don't have any extra buttons, no forward or back, but I've never been using such buttons, so I'm good with that. Underneath it's pretty simple. As we can see, there are no extra things. What I like here, that we have 2 bands instead of 4 feet or so, which makes it really easy to flow, and it won't stick to the mouse mat even when you are hitting the corners or so. That's also good. The cable is also not very high grade. It's not a braided wire and it's pretty stiff. I would say usually not a problem. If you have such a construction like me, then it's more of a problem, but actually you can easily get used to that. Really no problem. And the accuracy is really good. It has a 1600 dpi resolution, which is really good, so definitely no problem regarding accuracy. Also the clicking on the left or right works really good and easy. As you can see, I don't have to really push hard, but I also don't accidentally push here. I've also done a trigger or click test here. You can see I've reached about 7 CPS clicks per second on average here, which I would say is a good result. The only thing which you have to do when you set up the mouse for the Hello fingerprint, you have to click on the Windows key and then type fingerprint. That's the thing here. And then you click on fingerprint recognition here, and then you can set it up or add an additional finger like this here. And then it will guide you through the whole process. Very easy, takes just a couple of minutes and then you're done. And again, I've been using this now for about 2 or 3 days, almost the whole day, and I didn't get tired. What you have to do, of course, because it has very high resolution, 1600 dpi, you have to go to the mouse settings and probably speed the mouse pointer a little bit up. What I've done also, the mouse wheel speed, I have increased that a little bit compared to the gaming mouse which I had, and now it works very comfortable. Of course, it doesn't have any light on top or so, no fancy features. And of course, the thing which you are most interested, that's the fingerprint recognition, of course. And so I'm locking this screen here, and you can see it, and you can see the mouse, and I'm counting down, and on 0 I will hit the fingerprint reader. 3, 2, 1, 0, and you can see how fast it will unlock the screen. That works every time so fast. There is almost absolute no delay. Works absolutely perfect here with the Windows 11 Hello from Microsoft, and I'm using the Hello fingerprint now also for some other apps here on my PC, and it works absolutely awesome. Helps me a lot to avoid to having to enter my password 100 times during the day. I can lock my screen all the time. Before I left sometimes my screen open because I didn't want to enter my password all the time. Now I can lock it every time when I move away from my computer, and then just hit the sensor button and it will automatically unlock the computer. I mean, yeah, definitely the unlock thing very good. It's also not recessed, it's on top here, so which works super good, so you don't have to like move inside or something like that. I mean, there are just 2 mice, I think, available on the market which can do such thing or similar thing, and so I would say that Lenovo is definitely a good choice, at least till now, and so can give you a full recommendation. If you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.